Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Sirajul Faizi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about oxidation and reductions. So friends, let us start with what is oxidations and what is reductions. The surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper 2 oxide. Why has the black substance formed? This is the question. This is because oxygen is added to the copper and copper oxide is formed. So look at these reactions. This is the reactant and this is the product. And above arrow there is a heat. So copper react with oxygen forming copper oxide. So heat is china dish containing about 1 gram copper powder. This is china dish containing copper powder. This is wire gauze. This is tripod stand. This is burner. And then you start heating and absorb it. What you will absorb? This reaction actually. Copper react with oxygen forming copper oxide. So if hydrogen gas is passed over the heated material, copper oxide, the black coating on the surface turns brown as the reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. So from here copper to copper oxide, and in this reaction copper oxide react with hydrogen and forming copper and water. If a substance gain oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. You see here, copper gain oxygens, and if a substance loses oxygen during the reactions, it is said to be reduced. You see, copper oxide loses their oxygens to copper. During these reactions, the copper 2 oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and is being oxidized. This hydrogen oxidized and this copper reduced. One reactant gets oxidized while other gets reduced during the reaction. Such reactions are called oxidations, reductions reaction, or we call it redox reactions. So look at complete reactions. Here H2 gain oxygens and copper oxide loses oxygen. So this is oxidation and this is the reduction. Some other examples like zinc oxide react with copper, give zinc and C. Here C carbon oxidize and zinc reduce. Here manganese oxide react with HCl, give manganese chloride, H2O and Cl. So here manganese reduce and hydrogen oxidize and chlorine. So in reactions carbon is oxidized to CO and zinc oxide is reduced to zinc. And in reactions here HCl is oxidized to Cl, HCl oxidized to Cl2, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. So from above example we can say that if a substance gain oxygen or loses hydrogen during a reaction, it is oxidized. if a substance loses oxygen or gain hydrogen during a reaction it is used. So have you observed the effect of oxidation reaction in our daily life? Yes, corrosions. You must have observed that iron articles are shiny when new but get coated with a reddish brown powder when left for some time. This process is commonly known as rusting of iron. Some other metals also get tarnished in this manner. And another important point is rancidity. Have you ever tasted or smelled the fat oil containing food materials left for a long time? When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smells and taste change. Usually substances which prevent oxidations, antioxidants are added to foods containing fats and oil. Why? Because keeping food in airtight containers help to slow down oxidation. Do you know that chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with gas such as nitrogen to prevent the chip from getting oxidized? So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.